Hello, everyone, and welcome to our Everyday English Speaking Practice podcast. My name is Alex, and I am very happy to be here with you today.
And my name is Sara. We are your teachers and your speaking partners. Today, we will learn how to understand any English word without using a dictionary. You don't always need a dictionary to guess the meaning. We will show you easy ways to understand words in real life.
Yes, and while we practice, we will also use some simple daily routine words. These are words you use every day, like wake up, brush teeth, eat breakfast, go to work, eat lunch, come home, watch TV, and go to sleep.
We will practice speaking together. Please listen, repeat, and speak with us. Speaking is very important. Are you ready? Great! Let's start.
First, remember this. You can understand many words just by looking at the situation. For example, imagine you are in the morning at home. You hear the word alarm. You see a clock. You know it is morning. So the word alarm means the sound that wakes you up. You don't need a dictionary. The situation gives you the meaning.
Yes, context is very helpful. Context means the situation. Let's try together. Repeat after me. Wake up. Good. Again, wake up. One more time. I wake up at 7 a.m. Excellent.
Now, another word, brush teeth. You don't need a dictionary for this. If you see someone in the bathroom with a toothbrush, you know they are brushing their teeth. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Brush teeth. Again, I brush my teeth in the morning. Good job.
You can also understand words by looking at small parts. Many words have a beginning or an ending that helps. For example, the word unhappy. The small part un means not. So unhappy means not happy. Easy, right? Let's try more. Repeat after me. Happy. Now say unhappy. Good. Again. I am unhappy when I am tired.
Another example, the word redo. The small part re means again. So redo means do again. You see, you don't need a dictionary. The parts tell you the meaning. Let's practice. Repeat. Do homework. Again, redo homework. Good. Say, I redo my homework when I make a mistake.
Yes, great work. Now, let's talk about examples around the word. When you see a new word in a sentence, the words before and after give you clues. For example, I eat rice, vegetables, and spaghetti for dinner. If you don't know the word spaghetti, you can see rice and vegetables. You understand it is food, so spaghetti must also be food.
Let's practice with another example. Listen, every morning I wake up, brush my teeth, and drink water. If you don't know brush my teeth, you can see the words wake up and drink water. These are daily actions, so brush my teeth is also a daily action. You understand it without a dictionary.
Yes, this is very helpful in daily life. Always look at the words before and after. They help you guess. Let's practice with daily routines. Repeat after me. I wake up at 6 a.m. Good. Now, I brush my teeth in the morning. Excellent. Next, I eat breakfast with my family. Very good.
Now, let's connect new words with what we already know. For example, if you hear the word lunchbox, maybe you don't know it, but you know lunch, you know box, so lunchbox means a box for lunch. Easy, right?
Yes, let's try another. The word homework. You know home, you know work, So homework means work you do at home. Very simple.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I put my lunch in a lunchbox. Good. Again, I do my homework after school. Excellent.
Now, remember, the best way to understand and remember words is to use them in real conversations. Don't just read. Don't only listen. You must speak. Speak with your friends. Speak with your classmates. Speak with yourself if you were alone. This helps you remember the word.
Yes, speaking makes words strong in your mind. Let's practice a small conversation with daily routine words. I will say one line, you repeat after me. Then we will make a little dialogue. Ready? Repeat after me. Good morning. Good. Again, I wake up at 7. Now, I brush my teeth in the bathroom. Excellent. Next, I eat breakfast with my family. Good. Now, I go to work at 9. Very good. And I eat lunch at 1. Excellent. Next, I come home in the evening. Good. Now, I watch TV after dinner. And last one, I go to sleep at 10. Wonderful.
Now, let's try a small role play. I will ask, and you answer. Hello, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you do after you wake up?
I brush my teeth and eat breakfast.
When do you go to work?
I go to work at 9 a.m.
And what do you do after work?
I come home, eat dinner, and watch TV.
And what time do you sleep?
I go to sleep at 10 p.m.
Very good. This is how we use new words in real life. You see, you don't need a dictionary every time. You can guess words from context, from parts, from examples, and from connections. And then you practice speaking.
When you see a new word, the situation can help you understand. For example, you are sitting at the table in the morning. Someone says, "Do you want some toast?" Even if you do not know the word toast, you can look at the situation. You see bread on the table, you see butter or jam. You know it is breakfast, so toast must be food, a kind of bread. The situation tells you the meaning.
Yes, this is called context. Context means the place, the time, and the action around the word. Let's practice with another word. Imagine you are in the kitchen. You hear the word boil. You see water in a pot on the stove. You see bubbles. You know that boil means water is very hot and bubbles come. You don't need a dictionary. The action shows you.
Let's practice saying it. Repeat after me. The water boils on the stove. Good. Again. I boil water for tea. Excellent. Now let's try another one. Imagine you are outside and it starts raining. Someone says, umbrella. Even if you do not know the word, you see people holding something over their heads. You can guess that umbrella is the thing that protects you from rain.
Yes. You see how simple it is? The more you pay attention to the situation, the faster you understand words. Let's practice some daily routine words with this method. Imagine you wake up in the morning. Someone says, stretch. You see them move their arms and legs after waking up. You can guess stretch means to move your body after sleep. Let's say it together. Repeat after me. I stretch in the morning. Good. Again. She stretches before exercise. Very good.
Now let's look at word parts. Many English words have small pieces that give clues. For example, the word preview. The small part pre means before. View means see. So preview means to see something before. Easy. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I watch a preview of the movie. Again. Preview means see before. Excellent.
Another example is rewrite. The small part re means again. Write is to put words on paper. So rewrite means write again. Let's say it. Repeat. I rewrite my notes. Again, please rewrite the sentence. Good. You don't need a dictionary because the word parts explain the meaning.
Now let's practice with daily words. The word bedtime. You know bed, you know time. Together, they mean the time you go to bed. Easy. Repeat. My bedtime is 10 p.m. Again. Children have an early bedtime. Good. Another one. Sunrise. You know sun, you know rise. Together, they mean the sun goes up in the morning. Say it. The sunrise is beautiful. Again. I wake up at sunrise. Excellent.
Yes, this is very useful. Now, let's use examples around the word. Listen carefully. Every morning, I drink coffee. Coffee makes me feel awake. If you don't know coffee, the example tells you it is something you drink in the morning and it makes you awake. So you can guess it is a drink. Another one. She takes the bus every day. The bus is slow, but it is cheap. If you don't know bus, the sentence shows it is transport, something you take every day.
Let's practice with some more sentences. Repeat after me. I drink water when I am thirsty. Good. Now, I eat dinner when I am hungry. Excellent. You can see the words drink and eat help you guess the meaning of water and dinner.
Another important way is connecting with what you already know. For example, you hear the word notebook. You already know note, you know book. Together, they mean a book for writing notes. Very simple. Another one, dishwasher. You know dish, you know wash. Together, they mean a machine that washes dishes. You understand it without help.
Let's practice these. Repeat after me. I write in my notebook. Good. Again. My notebook is on the table. Excellent. Now, the dishwasher is in the kitchen. Good. Again, the dishwasher washes the plates. Very good.
You can do the same with many daily routine words. For example, breakfast. You know break, you know fast. Together, they mean to break the fast, the first meal after sleep. Another one, homework. You know home, you know work. Together, they mean schoolwork you do at home. Very easy.
Let's practice saying these. Repeat after me. I eat breakfast at 8.
Good.
Again. Breakfast is my favorite meal. Excellent. Now, I do my homework in the evening. Good. Again, homework is not always easy. Wonderful.
Now, let's practice in real conversations. I will ask a question, you answer. Listen and repeat after me. What time do you wake up? Good. Say, I wake up at 7 a.m. Nice. What do you do after you wake up? Say, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Excellent. What do you eat for breakfast? Say, I eat bread and eggs. Very good. What time do you go to work or school? Say, I go at 9 a.m. Good job.
Now, I will ask you some more. What do you do in the afternoon? Say, I eat lunch with my friends. Excellent. What do you do after lunch? Say, I read or take a rest. Good. What do you do in the evening? Say, I watch TV with my family. Nice. What time do you sleep? Say, I go to sleep at 10 p.m. Wonderful.
Another way to understand new English words is to connect them with things you already know. When you see a long word, try to break it into smaller parts. Maybe you know one part already. For example, if you see the word bedroom, you know bed. You know room. So, bedroom means a room with a bed, the room where you sleep.
Yes, that is very helpful. You can also try with the word bathroom. You know bath, you know room. So bathroom means a room where you wash, where you take a bath or a shower. Let's practice these together. Repeat after me. This is my bedroom. Good. Again, the bathroom is small. Excellent.
Now let's try with breakfast. Maybe you don't know the full word, but you can see two parts: break and fast. Fast means no food, like when you are sleeping. Break means stop. So breakfast is the meal that stops the fast, the first meal after sleep. Repeat after me. I eat breakfast at 8. Good. Again, breakfast is important. Very good.
Now let's connect another one. The word homework. You know home. You know work. So homework means schoolwork you do at home. Easy. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I do my homework after school. Good. Again. Homework takes time. Excellent.
Another example is raincoat. You know rain, you know coat. Together, they mean a coat you wear in the rain. Repeat after me. I wear a raincoat in the rain. Good. Again, my raincoat is yellow. Excellent.
Yes, these small parts help you understand new words. Let's try more with daily routine ideas. The word sunrise. You know sun, you know rise. So, sunrise means the time the sun goes up in the morning. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I wake up at sunrise. Good. Again. The sunrise is beautiful. Excellent.
Another one, lunchbox. You know lunch, you know box. Together, they mean a box for lunch. Easy. Repeat after me. I put food in my lunchbox. Good. Again, my lunchbox is red. Excellent.
Let's connect more words. The word toothbrush. You know tooth, you know brush. So, toothbrush means a brush for your teeth. Repeat after me. I use a toothbrush every morning. Good. Again, my toothbrush is new. Excellent.
Now let's try bedtime. You know bed, you know time. Together they mean the time you go to bed. Repeat after me. My bedtime is 10 p.m. Good. Again, children have an early bedtime. Excellent.
Yes, this is simple but very useful. You can do this every day when you meet new words. Let's practice a short conversation with connected words. I will be person A, you repeat person B. Hi, what time is your bedtime?
My bedtime is 10 p.m.
Do you use a toothbrush in the morning?
Yes, I brush my teeth with a toothbrush.
What do you put in your lunchbox?
I put bread, fruit, and water in my lunchbox.
Do you wear a raincoat when it rains?
Yes, I wear a raincoat on rainy days. That was good practice. Now let's use more repetition. Repeat after me. This is my bedroom. Good. Again, the bathroom is big. Excellent. Next, I eat breakfast every morning. Good. Again, homework is not always easy. Excellent.
Now continue. Repeat after me. I wear a raincoat when it rains. Good. Again, the sunrise is at 6 a.m. Excellent. Next, my lunchbox is full of food. Good. Again, I need a new toothbrush. Excellent.
Now let's make longer sentences with these words. Repeat after me. I wake up at sunrise and eat breakfast. Good. Again, I put food in my lunchbox before school. Excellent. Next, I do my homework after dinner. Good. Again, I brush my teeth with my toothbrush before bedtime. Excellent.
Now let's role play again for practice. I will be person A. You repeat person B. What do you do at breakfast time?
I eat eggs and bread for breakfast.
What do you do with your lunchbox?
I take my lunchbox to school.
What do you do after school?
I do my homework.
What do you do before bedtime?
I brush my teeth with a toothbrush. That is how we can understand new words by connecting them with what we already know. When you see a word, try to break it into smaller pieces. If you know one piece, you can guess the meaning. This makes learning easier and faster.
Another very good way to understand new English words is to practice them in real conversations. When you use a word many times, you remember it better. Speaking makes the word strong in your mind. If you only read the word, you may forget it. But if you say it, if you use it with other people, you will remember it.
Yes, speaking is very powerful. You can practice with friends, classmates, or even alone. You can talk to yourself. You can say your daily routine out loud. This will help you understand and remember many English words. Let's try together. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 a.m. Good. Again, I brush my teeth after I wake up. Excellent.
Now let's make a longer practice. Repeat after me. I wake up, stretch, brush my teeth, and wash my face. Good. Again, I eat breakfast, drink tea, and go to school. Excellent. This is how you use new words in real sentences.
Yes, and you can also practice by asking and answering questions. For example, I will ask you, what time do you wake up? You answer, I wake up at 7 a.m. Let's try. Repeat after me. What time do you wake up? Now say, I wake up at 7 a.m. Very good.
Now I will ask another one. What do you do after you wake up? You answer, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Repeat after me. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Excellent.
Let's try another one. What do you eat for breakfast? Say, I eat bread, eggs, and fruit for breakfast. Very good. Again, I drink milk and eat cereal. Excellent.
This is how practice works. You take a word, you use it in a question, you use it in an answer, and you repeat it many times. The more you repeat, the easier it becomes. Let's try with more daily words. Repeat after me. I go to work at 9 a.m. Good. Again, I eat lunch at 1 p.m. Excellent. Next, I come home in the evening. Very good. Now, I watch TV after dinner. Excellent. And I go to sleep at 10 p.m.
Wonderful. Now let's make small conversations. I will be person A. You repeat person B. Hello. Do you eat breakfast in the morning?
Yes, I eat breakfast every morning.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs, bread, and fruit.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea in the morning.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I eat lunch and sometimes take a nap.
Do you watch TV at night?
Yes, I watch TV after dinner.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 p.m. That was very good. Let's now repeat the same ideas, but change some words. Repeat after me. I wake up early in the morning. Good. Again, I brush my teeth with my toothbrush. Excellent. Next, I eat breakfast with my family. Good. Again, I drink coffee before work.
Excellent. Continue with me. Repeat after me. I go to work by bus. Good. Again, I eat lunch with my friends. Excellent. Next, I come home at 6 p.m. Good. Again, I eat dinner at 8 p.m. Excellent. Now, I read a book before bedtime. Very good.
Now let's connect words in a full routine. Repeat after me slowly. I wake up at 7 a.m. Good. I brush my teeth and wash my face.